strategic ones, and they replace your more. And then to the team that Costa from Ashgood, every place could be and Edilla from Levy Wonders, every place a year Pukwajiman. But the other person in the area, normal team reviewer, the new say as he bishop of the squad. This guy is by a year Shafik Muntari from RTU, and has Mauli from Kefisa, and Oshe right back also near support. Atakusi from Kefisa but Johnny. Smith can say yes, all those that you want to know is that kind.
Yerimsa last season na dance park Mrana League in a course nyina na omo ye ejuma wo so ma eni no na ejuma no na akwadum pempem so bi ezi akwa kosi sen ma ya akwa kodu he stance no ma wie na dressing room no so no ma san de ho ejuma VIP ono sen ezi no so common isiko
that's last year you capture the people on my analysis na this year no the try say the referee plastic chairs or VIP stands in. And the good news is that it's not say almost 300 plastic chairs or VIP are completed. And I'll share the right side of the VIP air stands in. And it's not yet completed, but it's here fully completed. And that is the basic jobs as far as the park renovation is concerned. And here to the shares, I'm a commissioner approval. I hope so. I'm more from final checks now. We are better now.
Yare, I did back why is the Ababe Adia. Had John Wagana upon a no betty or team wages in Okrano. A more so my seno, I can't their chomontia is almost using next season, Diano. Now this season, I'm on chance once. It is a weekend the league, air bustle. Is the BBI ready? Mujesis Ababe do replicas and also Abba.
Oh, once there good start there. The front line of Icaros group. And we share the partnership by anyone this year, 6 million now with the replicas now about 2 weeks time. That's the 15th of September. Where the agreement anyone. If you come out, there's no problem. Good start. This around and yellow and green, a very yellow dominated. Now, green, I can a security of Nigeria, the same thing, and about. We know we go on Israel white. The area at Tawabino, but after them, I at modest because you are refining Kaka. It's the other come. I think the supporters no verification. Next year, from 20th of September now, they can start calling for replicas.
At the period, kind of jam the or the two baby no be permanent bishana.
I told you, I catch you.
Jamana, yeah, we are 3:30. What to say they are from supporters in na. Musho dance park na mama bomo de did in common. Tonka krama in Shamudie no, dear and den and a quaku ramu. Send and commodity besiako.
But that's the all day. Both start here and Chima, on the brink of CSR, like community relations near there. And they believe in engagement with our supporters. And one, this is the new Mushia. And at least I was there, the different now new players are Abanuzuno, the Momuti on one Kaka. Do a match there, but respectfully, and I say with my belief and engagement, I say, almost two come my share almost imagine take a care. I bet you that kind of now Kenya a very good start of the season. That's the basic of the meeting.
Now, yeah, grounds also to say my first game over the weekend, money Dreams FC. And a deep boy, he didn't team now ball matches in Ibia anyway. At the send them, my first game, no send a bisiako.
Oh, typically, football here, there are 3 aspects of the game that are very tricky, especially opening day and a closing day, and sometimes midweeks. And no ball opening day be and easy because the camera will be our winning history. After the league next winning history for the season. You know, or pre-season the Jumano and other chance here, I share. But I had a money very difficult in an opening day. But a bomb by we dance back. You know, the victory for our first, our debut season against Chelsea. With me and the respected result, I had 3 points in the come Sunday.
Major Amwako, but we don't can escape me. Mount the young watchna Yawoda, Money Serio Stars and Edible Benny. Minim, Zep Mwababe, the first team, I'm qualify few more the Western North. Nani, more yes, and Shana, I'm matching on sono as it chebi or and Nam Swama Mobo, Sa game on Ababe, the final friendly game. I'm about proud to say season about Chassis.
But as the MCL that any management, me and supporters, any sponsors, now, and you know, it's funny there. To go off the normal friendly games, you know, I say no more the last match. Now at least, yes, with me, a share on team, you know, by a boy more, which thought we can also see to that game. You know. It's a typical, especially affair, but yes, we are born to prepare ourselves for the coming Sunday match. All the normal money or call for more the same area, but it gives a lot of tension and heat. And that kind of competition, you know, and a cost irrespective of the level of team, you know, maybe your feedback. And you're going to say, I say no more. That it me encourage you almost most of the bank the season for the first time, you know, or make me after Jamona, then a growth in football in our city land.
Yama, Yabara says, we are by him, Zenche, we need Shas yet, you know. You're asking nombre, Edam in
But that's what done there when you want now. I'm
at your best, and why? Akwakushi almost supporters no na omoni omabuj man no penalty football friendly match back up omochi kuma Woman United ebo meka mienu a omantimi anti yaw amankwa ba fi enya the first goal na Daniel Efie bane ba ya wasen baba benya goal era mate football kunya ntias yes ne na grass na wako ena kunidu yadom omejoin ti no kumase na omaboabo mo na against Eduana Football Club no omo ese ne mabeku yeda matofo na meza vim no mo de kodom as for vim no mo de ba hinkru no ano edim pa these are prepare na won sensem no esieti a ye de eramu so no etimiera ma na yeramu one de Mexico game men no boy a na mu edim pa de ma no komo se no die de fa
Bichim game was very tough game here. I mean, Bichim here very compact team. I mean, they have a Bichim. It was very difficult game. And then also Midiama and then Olympics. That games was also very tough games, but we were able to win all that games. And then I believe we said this time, we will do more and then do more to make our fans, our supporters happy.
Atiano ya command your bomb what yetimi de fan one na mo po amane makoye perman after no yet one to be said this season signings are odio ma baba be ramu team no mo so no okon mo asem say.
Definitely yes. I can see said this adapt will bring something in the team. I mean they because they have the quality because the likes of Joseph Ban, the goalkeeper from Holy Star, Shafiq from RTU, and then we have another two central defenders, Ampim Da Costa from Ashgold, Richmond Menu, and then attacking Maule, and then La Ibrahim La. I used to the new to the old players, and I believe they are more adapted very quick. We are working very hard. I believe this inclusion, and then this adapt, will bring something. A lot of positive.
Atianu ye chuma ne yoka etimiere fan na ye ne wie ne bizan say season no baba be ram no target no say ne city erma bibia ni Gold Stars.
The coming season, we can do better. I mean, our target is to compete at the top. That's our target. So it will not come silver platter. We need to work. We need to go extra mile. So we are working on that. We are working very, very hard, and I believe with this team we can reach our. I mean, our belief.
Atiano Atia no yan komo kakra ne coach Jeffrey ne Michael say coach Mickey ebo modern edi eramani na ebo amane madaye pa etimi erama yakeda cho say cement se ba kene kene amona ramo maso ya yebo amane makoye pa etimi erama izanze nam ya de yemfanfo mo maso ye eno no ma ya age hudi na din no ma age no obaga na aba Africa afa bibia ankofo ka zampa ope bibia nam ya no eni ebre ne etu ase fiko pa etimi erama de cement se ba kene komo na bere na yetimi aboana ne makoye pa etimi area manti no yo ba na be magono ni dunya syphilis na afi du bibia eno tumu se ewo ase ono ye pemwa on sheda ntede o ye be ma so aso pem ba komi no na ho san modemo ne wo fem e ba sa pe na ya ma din under 1 minute ya na e ha adwen pa de ya pa ene zi no nam baby na se baby gesi one be se nan numa kwa koshia na omo hye din komo na utwam na obi ade ne sete na ombra na okono ye ne na hye ada na modemo of me baza ya na enim guase kakra eno echi ne ya yo mo wedin udwuma no hypertension prostate enlargement and afi so kra no uyo bi awdwon so bre diabetes e wo so and afi typhoid ni nyino mo hwe etimi din udwuma oyo ba bosome so obunsa tientie ma pe obonze mikimu opam zi oziste tientie mu de bosome aso enche ombetwi e ka se na eboama ne makoye pere ma no mo no kwa your laba ye be do so an bebi a ye ne hye ne ama ho duro ultrasound scan no mutwa e na afi so no mo hyeda pa obi esiwa obecho ze eduane die na ehia pa da bia me kaze de kwa eyem no ya na ehu pa chen de ehu na ni wo so no di no ze nei no o sorry na wo sa no pa na eduane we na di na mo ahoden a uro mo mbe pa obi ama obe checho sampa wo yese a ebebo ama ne ma koyi pa so no etimi edi ama no mo a era bomo de di cement vital herbal mixture na ba na adu no e won samrani bibri duro ramu bibia na cement vital herbal mixture no eno na oso ntimi nka ro so pe agan
chief agan na testimony no one say mantem bia na mantwe bia no
yeah
the best information centers are obenya we no
me kind of pa
beacon
yeah
na ne hono frɛ a Georgia ye code chairman na code bi amben ye but enro frɛ me na nye code no na agan
aya agan adu baby a
agan
adu baby a
agan na ne ntire mu nie was a boys ne be hia wo mu sa no mo di nkomo na ba ku tire mu a ne performance na pagya ISM Man U record no o ma wini ato aso back to back chairman ajeje matches na to aso
yeah
into we wini into obedi hu adanse no ana boys ne ye agan into still agan no omo ka ho asem so omo te wa
yeah
say ye ka agan ho asem
agan dey too much agan
into sade a opusu ahoma na odi atomanim
yeah
into me pa chaw agan no na say aje boys ni bi
ajo
bantama
agan no
aje omo wo bantama
agan
bo adwuma agan bo adwuma mo wini match say into me pa chaw o say ade ba ko pen and ye ma no agan number no ba no wasanso wesi so e de am no watie agan no e mo fa matches into look
me fa na man to dwa
look and sit
ati agan one dance die no na number no 0240616061 0240616061 02793565 fani omo din komo pomo a asokore mampon sita asokore mampon off Maxima Road no turo ko baby a also pa gan na gan no ye be na bibia hye ye de
na me adum
ye nin komo ne kakra
ya boko bibia de din hwede ekoso bibia ni na bibia ekoso kama na me kama ye pem so a still so train ne
eduana
still tin edin pa but everyone say ba omo be omo man ne sa akeke ombeba no ma ye dwuma so de aboa na ne omo mba be na koyie Michael Osenso akasa say team no nim se ne tezi utie CEO ni